I walk alone on uneven ground, and feel where it has been softly beaten and used by dreamers stumbling in their waking sleep. Life is surreal at the moment. This moment is a standstill, because all at once, and maybe for the first time, I am standing still. I am paying attention to every unimportant thing. I saw someone I knew just now, and had no trouble suppressing my urge to call out. I have no want, no need for his human attention. I walk fully open to the possibility of being completely alone in a crowd of people. A crowd of laughing, crying, untouchable people who will never get to appreciate this perfect Thursday from where I'm sitting. Even here, even surrounded by shops, cars, streets, and the stagnation of city congestion, I find rapture in the refuge of a million like minds. I repeat my words and borrow those I can't begin to put together from those who have let nature be the foundation, not the obstacle. Fences, caution, construction, noise, mud, and grit. The uselessness of our progressive tastes when the loveliest and most powerful places exist without the hands of men.
There's something wrong with the world today. I don't know what it is. Something's wrong with our eyes. We're seeing things in a different way, and God knows it ain't His.